Hello friends! Want to track your orders in Excel without writing any formulas? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to do it using pivot tables. No coding, no confusion, just clean and clear Excel magic. Let's start. We've got a raw dataset here, but with Excel tables, analysis becomes smoother, smarter, and way more powerful. First, click anywhere inside the data range. Now press Ctrl T. That's your shortcut to Excel table magic. When the Create Table pop-up appears, make sure My Table Has Headers is checked. This tells Excel to treat your first row as column titles. Hit OK. Now, your data transforms into a dynamic, filter-friendly, auto-expanding Excel table. Clean, organized, and ready for action. To insert Pivot Table, just click anywhere inside your data table. Head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Pivot Table. When the pop-up appears, choose New Worksheet and hit OK. Boom, a fresh sheet opens with a blank pivot table on the left and your field list on the right. If you want to see total sales by product, here's how to do it. Head over to the Pivot Table Fields panel. Drag Product into the Rows area. Then drag Total Amount into the Values area. To format values as currency, click any number in the Total Amount column of your pivot table. Right-click and choose Number Format. Select Currency and click OK. Now your amounts will show with dollar signs and decimals. Much easier to read. What to do if we want to highlight large sales with conditional formatting? First, select all the values. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Then go to the data bars or color scales. Choose the style you like. This helps you spot big numbers instantly without doing the math. That's it. Excel instantly gives you a clean breakdown of sales per product. No formulas, no calculators. Just pure pivot table power. Want to count orders by status in Excel? First, clear out any previous fields in your pivot table. Drag Status into the Rows area. Drag Order ID into the Values area. Now, click on the Value field. Choose Value Field Settings. And change Sum to Count. Click OK. You'll now see exactly how many orders are shipped, pending, or canceled. All neatly organized. Simple, clean, and super useful for reporting. To see sales by customers, first clear any existing fields. Then, drag Customer to the Rows area and Total Amount to the Values area. Just like that. Now, you'll see exactly how much each customer has spent. Want to add interactive filters with slicers in Excel? Click anywhere inside your pivot table. Then head over to the Insert tab and select Slicer. Choose the fields you want to filter by, like Status, Customer, or Date. And hit OK. Boom. You'll now see easy-to-use buttons that instantly filter your data with just a click. Perfect for creating dashboards that are both dynamic and user-friendly. Now, just rename your worksheet. At the bottom, right-click the Worksheet tab. Choose Rename. Type Order Dashboard. Press Enter. This keeps your file organized and easy to navigate. Always refresh your pivot table when data changes. Click anywhere inside the pivot table. Go to the Data tab. Click on Refresh. Now your pivot table will include any new orders you added to the table. And that's it. You've just built a simple but powerful order tracking system using pivot tables in Excel. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching.